my funny dance. As they try, you know that kind of thing. As make I tattoo as one vice snap my story. I mean they call Bella O blog, you understand? And they cancel and they treat marriage and they treat relationship, any life issues, any reality stories, and now they treat, now they deal on, you understand? And they treat them and they, you know, they put butter and everything to make them their hair, that kind of thing. But any story that they talk on now, it must be reality story. You understand? True life story. I know they put fake, I know they talk on fake stories. I get sites too where you say I can treat all these things too, you understand? So I just make I use this YouTube channel too. Then they see they talk about all these stories, make people see they know what they happen for life. What they happen around us, when people don't go believe. So can you imagine everybody say you don't go expect, say if they happen more than self, you understand? And some people still they say that they go through one thing or the other, they feel like they talk come outside for maths. Because if you say if they talk people go and say mock them or who they want cry to and all that. So to make them for not make their secret for this safe, they don't they won't talk. But not worry, and maybe that special friend, that friend will say, I feel they share your secret. If you tell me, you go they safe with me. 2 years ago, you understand? You go not be between me and you. Even if I yarn, even if I talk and come and make people for a year, make people for give you advice. I'm not go be identity, I will keep out to myself, nobody go know, nobody go hear sex, that kind of thing, and you the happen to. So it be. So I want you today, so I want my clients now trying to send me the story. She said she not get joy for waiting happen. She not really dey happy even when I even hear herself and belle not sweet me at all. I really dey sad when I hear the story, you understand? I know because that kind of not the story person dey hear, but wetin go how it go be? She said today, so after the thing wey happen, she said her joy, she not get joy. So I want make we help her find that joy which she lost. You understand? Wetin happen to her elder sister that this thing happen to. This elder sister so na deaf and dumb, she no dey hear, no dey talk, you know. So this sister so na when she dey very young, she can't get belle, she can't carry belle, she can't born pikin. The people she born a girl. So when the daughter dey 4 years, come meet one man. The man when she meets her, not be deaf, not be dumb. The man called us like can because he won't marry her, so they can't marry. When they marry now, not to say they not get parents now, she can't carry out her daughter, so before years, she can't go the marriage. So when she did the marriage, she got born 2 children for the man, boy and girl, making it 3 children. So just inside last week here, now one of the neighbor called catch the man. They sleep with that very girl. The girl now so now 15 years. That 4 years old girl that time so before the mama go marriage now so now 15 years. Because they sleep with her. When people see when the girls the neighbors see and the neighbors say this kind of thing. Only you know go feel this see this kind of thing, make keep quiet. So even if you tell people no go believe, now you go call the rest neighbor. As you call the rest neighbor, when they see her, they say, your own daughter. No, see beating. And they run enter the man life. They beat nonsense. So they beat 50 years, they beat up more for everybody. They beat her, area people can't gather, not small beating, no. And then they forgot to tell the girl, say, your papa they tidy you money, you know if you talk, and you know if you talk, say, as wetin dey happen. And the people talk say, not be her fault, say, this is not the happen since she did 7 years. So she know now she go take talk and I say, 7 years, I part of the people can they come. So, but if she back then and say, if you tell anybody, he go kill the mother and kill her 2 siblings. So all that fear, I make her a small girl and I make her not call us feel. So people say, you man, now what do you take this speaking? She's 7 years old, then she don't do and they abuse these pieces when she did 7 years. They don't take her. I say this man, your sense really wet. Today we go dry her. Not be small thing, they beat her, they use the name, they use bottle, they press the man name for a back. They won't kill her, so they don't like the woman or they cry, they roll for ground. Because they can't go this thing. Police station, police go hear the matter. The woman call they cry, they beg, say I beg. As they cry, and because not sorry because of the woman. Because just things they see forgive her. And because just stay leave the man. Because they got free the man because of the woman. So the pikin as we talk right now, so not in the house again. They don't carry the pikin more for the house. But that kind of pikin no go fit stay that kind of house, you understand? So they don't carry the pikin more for the house, no fit deal with that man. So the sister right now her pace now be say she know they happy say her sister still that marriage. You understand? She said because no say the sister her sister not dey happy because I knew wetin happen. But where she won't go, say she believe that say the reason her sister still dey because sister dey look and say she dey helpless. She not get where she will go. So that means she just still there. Even when she's not happy, she's just being there because she cannot judge her. She has nowhere to go. Where she won't start from. All those things and this are the reason may starting the marriage. But she talking and say the marriage not work. So that kind of man, you not work where her sister go dey with. So she now she say she look for how she want to command her sister for the marriage. What's you gonna advise for this girl? You understand? Because as she did not so she said she hates the man with passion, with perfect hatred. No, they won't use eye to even imagine self say as I sit in that house, she don't like him at all. So she won't come out her sister, but she not get the money, she not get finance to say okay, if you come on this sister now, so I'll take set her up, put her one, you understand? So I'm bet she's not happy. Say she just walk out with the house one day, just go kill the man with anger. Say so to that kind not to happen so. I mean she dey send me the story, say what she will do. Which kind of advice my guide for this to get? Me on my own, my next video I will treat this very story. You understand? But I won't make una by una own self too. Wanna comment, at least the comment, wanna go comment because she too she go there for comment session. She go dey see am. So she too she go from there get one or two things. Wetin she go do because she dey very very down right now. She dey frustrated and she just dey confused. She not dey happy to dey see say she dey wake up every day and start sitting that place. You understand? So because if you not come out the stand and she not act now, that man fit go dey end up the daughter too wey this above for the man. Because the man fit supposed to tell daughter can sit with your own daughter and so you just be. So my dear viewers, wetin una get for this girl? And again, if you see this video so you like this video, not be only to give me your big arm na by liking the video, I want me to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You need to subscribe. You understand? For more story or ogbonge reality stories, maybe just still subscribe to my channel. And again, me still help me share this story. You understand? So that you know this corporation make part of rice food. You understand? So when they share people with them, other people too go they see wetin dey happen, they comment and you know they go they enjoy my everyday every now and then stories now they bring come fresh baked stories. Till then I want make you just stay tight for me. Wetin you know say I no go do, I no do am. Anything you go put on for job, we go na comot on our hand. That kind of thing. Next time now, we always see.
Level up. 5